So, welcome to another unboxing here on my channel. Will be a quick unboxing. I know this is a very old product now to be unboxed, but I bought it now because my Ouroboros mice went out. The scroll wheel broke here because it was on wireless mode and it fell down from my desk and it broke, and so I sent it to repair. Until then I will have another mice. This is the deathadder Elite Chroma edition. There are two versions of this. There are the deathadder Chroma that has also Chroma, but the Elite has the new optical 5G sensor. Show you 5G sensor. And let's see the back of the box. As you can see here, there's the world's most advanced 5G optical sensor, optimized Razer mechanics mouse switches, 5 million clicks, award-winning gaming for esports and top athletes, and more information. Left and right are nothing. The Razer logo, typical Razer products. So let's unbox it. This is the second one that I take. The first one that they came, I didn't unbox it. I unboxed this one. The first one that they came, it was unfortunately not so good. It wasn't sitting on my desk or on the mouse pad so well. It was making a bit numble like that. I will show you when I open it up. It wasn't sitting so well. So the guys there that I bought it here on the stores, they were very kind, and also Razer, that I contact them. Razer of Greece is here, Greece. They contact them and they say immediately the product may be some error with the product on the manufacturing level, so they told me to go and take a new one, and they sent me immediately a new one, and I gave them the other one back. So this is how it's shipped inside, and from the back is the cable, and it has also a nice plastic strap. You can keep it and strap your cable if you want. So as always, Razer comes with these things. You have a thank you for buying a Razer product, and where you can find their stuff. If you want, you can pause the video and have a look. I think it was pretty clear, but probably you have already watched something like that or not. Thank you for coming to my video. So there's here some information for where you can make warranty your product. This will be used for now with Razer Synapse 2.0 and not 3.0, because 3.0 for now supports only new devices with Chroma strips. This mouse has not strips, Mamba has, and I don't know if Mamba mouse is also supported or not. So here's for the Chroma effects, and there is in many languages as well. So I think here is their and also here is our stickers that Razer comes always. This is a bit also Chroma effect stickers. As you can see, it has some rainbow effect. So let's put that here on the sides, and let's go to our mouse. Many of you probably have already seen how a deathadder Elite or the old ones are. Today I only rip everything. I don't leave nothing alone. Anyway, I put too much force today and I rip everything. Even the last one, I didn't rip it like that. So let's put everything back together and to the side. So here is our mouse. Let me show you how it sounds a bit better. So So this is how mostly it sounds, this mouse. Probably good. These are sounding like mechanical, and these two also, and the scroll wheel as well. The other two here are buttons that you can press for your DPI. So let's put out our strip, and I hope this one is better and is more stable than the last one. Here's a bubble. No, a bubble. Why has a bubble here? Nothing is perfect. So let's see. Yes, this doesn't wobble. So the last mice was wobbling from this corner to there. So like that. Was making like that. So it wasn't stable at all. So this is a much better, and I hope it will last very long. Here there is some nice touches with the USB. It's as you can see green, and like that. I like it very much. And the silver has some nice texture to it, painted. Has some silver painting texture, very nice. All the cable is like that, like always Razer does it, and even their new phone they did it. So these parts will be light up chroma, a very nice and classical mouse by Razer. Oh, it already scratched my fitting down here. Anyway, so I hope you like it. This was a deathadder Elite unboxing, and also I wanted to show that this is good, and thank you again to Razer Greece that they immediately, even that I bought it 5-10 days already or shortly, they were very fast and quick to send me a new mouse in only 2 days, or 1 day was it, I don't even remember. And I hope you like it also. It's a very old mouse, of course, and there are many unboxings on the YouTube community. But anyway, thank you for watching my video until now, till the end. Write me down below what you think about the mice, and if you have a deathadder Elite or not. Do you like it? And also, have you had some same problems with me or not? And I hope to see you down on the comment section below to discuss about things that you think about the mice. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.